Our third contestant is from Environmental Health Sciences, Tessa Verhoef, and she's an MPH student and will be graduating next year in 2015. Welcome, Tessa.
Good afternoon. I would like to begin by thanking the Lester Breslow Fellowship and Molina Healthcare and the UCLA community for providing this wonderful opportunity. This evening, I will be talking about gamification and how we can use gamification in public health. Gamification is the idea of using games in non-game contexts to motivate people to do certain things they otherwise wouldn't do. We all know that people have an innate desire to want to compete, achieve milestones, and showcase their talents. You can actually leverage this idea by making mundane tasks into fun games. Progress bars, achievement badges, leaderboards can help incentivize people. You may have been a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout in the past. You were incentivized to participate in certain leadership activities, like planting a tree, and in turn you would get a cool badge to showcase on your vest. Similarly, Code Academy uses this as well. It incentivizes people to learn how to code, and in turn, they receive a badge every time they achieve a learning milestone. So why is this even relevant? Well, 70% of Fortune 2000 companies use this approach. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's used to target and shape certain customer behaviors. For example, Starbucks incentivizes customers to make certain purchases more frequently by giving them these virtual stars. So listen, if businesses use this idea to generate billions of dollars in profit, I believe we can actually use it to help people and shape healthy habits. And I propose 3 ways to do this. First, we can motivate the everyday Joe to engage in more healthy behaviors more frequently. 2, we can use it as a way to disseminate public health information. And 3, it could be a forum for people to collaborate and solve public health problems. At the Fielding School, the late Dr. Yancey pioneered an amazing program called Instant Recess. Imagine gamifying Instant Recess. During the common hour, you get an alert on your cell phone telling you it's instant recess time. And every time you participate, you get a Fielding School badge. At the end of the quarter, we can showcase our top participants on a leaderboard. If this is successful, I propose extending it to other schools of public health and other high schools and middle schools in Los Angeles. Nationwide, we have a governmental initiative called Healthy People 2020. HealthyPeople.gov lays out a bunch of objectives to help people be more healthy. Let's think about gamifying healthy people. One of the goals is to increase public awareness and understanding the determinants of health. We could award public health badges every time people participate in the Healthy People initiative. For example, teens can be motivated to seek out information on sexual health, much like Code Academy used to help its users learn how to code. I also proposed earlier using gaming as a way for people to collaborate. Well, this has actually already been done. A few years ago, a popular game by the name of Fold It motivated its users in a competitive fashion to help determine protein structures in AIDS research. A major breakthrough occurred a few weeks later. LA County maintains a food illness reporting page. I suggest using a forum like Fold It did to make it more engaging. Perhaps we can make a My Meal Got Me Sick app where people can list their symptoms, the type of illness, and what they ate. Collaboratively with the community, we can help determine the source of the contamination. People that participate will be incentivized by detective public health badges. In conclusion, I would like to state that the Institute of Medicine and Lester Breslow helped identify the purpose of public health, which is to fulfill society's interests in assuring the conditions in which people can be healthy. Let's consider the fact that our society today is so technology-driven. I believe gamification is a positive and proven way in which we can shape habits and make them healthy, and we can continue to assure these healthy conditions. And I believe the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health can be a leader in this. Thank you.